How to check available credit on Wells Fargo. Well, if you have the application available in your region, you can directly download it from the Play Store and do the same step from the application. But if you don't have, simply visit your browser. It could be anyone. For instance, I'm using Chrome. Now simply search for Wells Fargo. Now simply tap on the website. Now after the website is loaded, all you have to do is simply tap on the sign on option. Now enter all of your details and enter your username, enter your password, and tap on sign on option. Now after you sign in, simply tap on the menu icon. Just go to home first, go to your home, then tap on the menu icon and simply tap on the credit card section. There will be a credit card. Simply tap on credit card and there you'll find all of your relevant information about the credit card. Now simply tap on view all credit cards. Now from here you'll be able to see how much available credit is on your Wells Fargo account, but make sure to sign in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.